Casa Roca, nestled amidst the majestic Yosemite Lakes, is a testament to architectural harmony with nature. The house, designed by PPAA Pérez Palacios Arquitectos Asociados, is strategically positioned to capitalize on the breathtaking vistas of the national park. Its open-plan layout, featuring expansive windows and strategic openings, invites an uninterrupted flow of natural light and a seamless connection between the interior and the exterior. At the heart of the project lies a serene outdoor space, an oasis where residents can fully immerse themselves in the tranquility of their surroundings. The house's roof, mirroring the slope of the mountain, further integrates the structure into the landscape. The choice of materials, primarily exposed wood, stone, and concrete, echoes the natural elements of the mountain, creating a sense of belonging. The dark exterior tone of the wood seamlessly blends with the surrounding environment, while the warm interior creates a cozy and inviting atmosphere. The deliberate inclusion of 3 large boulders within the living space strengthens the connection to nature, generating a feeling of continuity with the rocky landscape. This thoughtful design choice reinforces the house's role as a sanctuary where residents can truly appreciate and experience the beauty of Yosemite Lakes. Casa Roca is a masterpiece that exemplifies the power of architecture to enhance the human experience. By fostering a deep connection with nature, the house offers a truly immersive and unforgettable living experience. Casa Roca is a true masterpiece of modern architecture, seamlessly blending human habitation with the stunning natural beauty of Yosemite Lakes. Its design is a testament to the power of architecture to create harmonious living spaces that connect us with the world around us. We hope you enjoyed this virtual tour of Casa Roca. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring architectural content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.